Assalamu alaikum. Sally here YouTube. I'm so sorry guys. Raaliga noqda waxaan aaday trip. Waa idin sheegay aroos oo wiilkayga oo nephew-gayga ah uu lahaa ayaan aaday. Arooska maadaama aan aadayna wallahi mashquul badan waa ogtiin aroos iyo dibkiisa waa ogtiin waxay noqotay mashquul oo badan arooska aawadiis. Marka arooskan ku maqnaa maasha Allah si fiican ayuu u dhacay arooski guys. Anigana waxaan ka sameeyay trip oo kale arooskii trip aan ka dhex samaystay aniga maadaama oo ay adag tahay se lagu baxaadana adigoo ilmo haysto waa ogtiin hooyo oo ilmo haysato way adag tahay se ku baxaysa mogtahay. So adinka arooskii trip yaro inaba caadiyana ka dhigay San Diego. Wallahi waa u xiisay already waa u xiisay San Diego. As I think I don't know inaa ogtiin in kale beeniyaan sheegin inaa idin sheegay in kale ma garan kari laakiin aniga waxaan ku noolaa California before ana ilmahayga dhalin oo guursan ma ogtahay. Yes divorce aan ahay hadda laakiin intaan ilmaha guursan ka hor oo guurkayga dhicanin ka hor California ayaan ku noolaa. California San Jose ayaan kaga noolaa. San Josena maxay toole waxay ahayd San Jose waxay ahayd meeshaan deganahay aniga iyo asxaabteedo badan maasha Allah. dhalinyaro badanaa jirtay oo meesha aniga ka imaaday Somaliland oo aan isla aadi jirnay weekendiyadoo kale markay gaadho. College aan aadi jiray weekendiyadoo kale markay ay noqoto college-kii iyo shaqadii labadiba waa laga tegi jiray. waxaa la aadi jiray San Diego iyo LA iyo meelahaas San Francisco iyo weekba meelaan choose garaysan jirnay waan aadi jirnay. badahaas in badan aan tegay laakiin magaalada yar xunta oo aan deganahay way soo nacsiisay San Diego hadda waaba ilaawayba. I know inay wax badan igu qaadatay markaan aan imaaday magaalada aniga deganahay. San Luis la dhahaa Missouri ku taala. Waa magaalo yar ilaa xad waa magaalo yar. Maadaama ay magaalo yar tahay waxa aniga u bartay more magaalooyinkaas oo kale. So markaan noqday xusuuso badan ayay gelisay. So marka wallahi farxada la ooyay like I was like oh my god meesha san deganaa meeshana imaaday what the heck maxaa ilmahaygaan geeyay the first time ilmahayga aan la fly gareeyo badankooda wiilkayga qura ayaa hadda ka hor flight aaday oo aabihii ku aaday Ohio oo dan ka soo noqday. laakiin ilmahayga inta kale Missouridan ku dhalay kulli ilmahayga Missouridan ku dhalay. wiilkaas la hadda ka hor aabihii aaday ka soo noqday maadaama aabihii state kale u degan yahay. laakiin ilmahayga inta kale first flight I had guys it was the best experience and I had to tell him. I was like yeah your mama being there, your mama being here, your mama being all over the place in San Diego. It was kind of fun and an amazing time with the kids wallahi alhamdulillah. And then the kids had a fun time. I know now who to take on vacations. My oldest daughter Najma, mashallah. Dad, I need to take my daughter, my older daughter, with me at all times because you know what? My older daughter is the one who make the plans, where to go, what cafe place to go, what beach to go, what. Oh my God, she made it so amazing. And what my favorite nephew wedding, it was an amazing, beautiful. I'm not gonna put the pictures of the wedding out of respect, but mashallah it was an amazing, it was a good time with the kiddos and I loved it. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna put some clips after the video. Please stay to the end to watch those clips. Love you guys. Bye. Thanks to my brother-in-law, my sister. They were amazing. We had a good time. MashaAllah.
I think I took you wedding photos, not a proposal.
Just take screenshots with your brain.
When you can't even film because
I guess we witnessing another wedding.
oh my god, that's
Where are we going?
Well, they only sell two.
yes.
Yeah.
I thought that was what. Right. You have my phone in there, right?
Oh my god, there's one that I didn't do. It's gonna be like 10 pounds heavier.
I wish I could eat desserts and eat
Content, I forgot.
Always.
You're gonna fight somebody who doesn't want to fight. You're gonna fight somebody who doesn't want to fight. I don't want to fight.
We have you on 4K fighting in the bakery.
I'm telling you, I don't want to fight. Let's leave. Stop. Okay, stop this. This.
Mama just in there. You.
Yes, babe.
No, it's like the tea flavor.
Where my kiddos go? So beautiful.
That's why I recognize you, but out of context.
Hi guys, how are you? I want to get the pudding. Again.
You're right. No, there it is.
Yeah, those are double chocolate peppermint.
Yeah.
What's your dog is?
And then a double chocolate.
Okay, go. You are weird. He's weird.
Why is he weird?
He came with no socks. That's his
Hey.
outfit.
Oh.
What is that, Mona? Oh, this is like a beautiful.
Show me an outfit. Tell me. Outfit of the day.
Gotta be steady.
Oh wait, we can have a cat.
That's nice.
Which one's the melon soda?
This looks nice.
All right, John. Peace.
Why you tell me what happened?
Nasruddin, what did you write down?
I wrote, I love Flint, and I put a heart at the end.
Ah, that is so nice. Thank you.
Oh my god, hold on, stop it. Can somebody get sake latte for you, please? I want to taste it. You want that? I'm getting a matcha. Hold on. Blow up right now. There's a lot of what ifs we could ask ourselves, you know. Sometimes some are more.
I look cute in this night. Look.
And I don't look.
Yes, you do.
I don't look the best right now. Not in camera, at least. I look good in the mirror.
No, you look good, Hoy. You think
Not
You're
the
not
not
bad.
no. The phones do me dirty. The don't.
arcade in our room. And, big TV.
Every day I'm learning that the real flex is just being in love with yourself and ignoring the world.
I like my suitcase. I have to go to school now.
Yeah, you will have lunch and then you go to school.
Now I'm gonna go. Yeah.
Oh, 8216?
Okay.
Okay, no problem then. Okay. Yeah, I see. Okay. I see the text.
To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. And remember, make sure your seat is upright. All larger reason. That's why you're
Noel?
welcome to your American Airlines flights across the globe.
Double wondering around.
I actually need to use the bathroom
Oh,
so
man.
bad, but I don't want to go because I have a feeling I'm gonna miss the flight.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.